Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can activate the voice control. So at the first we have to wake up the screen with this button. So click it one time, and right now just open the quick menu from the upper section. Go on the right side, and here we got the voice control icon. So when you tap on it, the control camera functions via voice control. It is activated. So right now we can try something. So I'm going to say start recording. Okay, let's say it one more time. Start recording. Okay, and as you can see right now the camera is recording the video. So when we want to finish, we can say stop recording. And the video has ended. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!